It's been quite an intense week. Let's see what made the Intense 5. The eruption of the volcano in New Zealand while the tour groups were there. They had zero warning. We hope the survivors get well soon.
The death of Juice WRLD. The rapper died after arriving in Chicago. His staff say they saw him popping lots of pills. Very sad. He was extremely young and talented and oh my goodness.
Miss South Africa. Everything about you sell right off. You are such an inspiration. On a side note, Miss Jamaica's dress was unique, but Miss Canada got hard with the ganja leaf. Sure, you really going to say that Miss Jamaica dressing unique when there's so much controversy?
Sure from my bay, you know. Sure, and I see
cause you from my bay, don't it? Okay.
Oh,
okay.
Kafia go on with a bag of things. She was recently featured in the Billboard YouTube series Honda Backstage, where she talks about growing up and her love for music. So super proud of her.
Load the L, take the W, girl.
Yes.
And finally holding the
Miss World 2019 is Jamaica.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.